Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we've got a Mercedes A-Class, and on the side the customer's had a headlight damage as well as a bumper damage, and a bit of the wing has also been damaged. So today we're going to be changing this bumper to an AMG bumper, as you can see in front. So what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking and let's change this bumper and the headlight.
Hello there. Hey.
If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do remember to click on the subscribe button. And what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. Let's get this bumper changed. However, one thing I want to mention is we don't have the grills for the bottom of the bumper, so we have ordered them and they should be coming in a later date. However, the customer wants this done ASAP so that they can get the MOT done on the car, and they're not worried about the wing as they want to keep the cost down. So we're going to try and manage with what we have and get this car alphamized. So you might be able to see the damage a bit more clearer here. There's a bit of damage here, the clips are broken below, and there's a dent in the bumper here which has been pushed in, but you might be able to pull it out. The wing, it's got a crease here, it's been dented here, and there's a few marks and scuffs here, but we're not going to be replacing the wing since the customer doesn't want to be spending that much money on it. The headlight definitely needs changing. Every piece is basically shattered inside. This is cracked, this is scuffed, so we need to get the headlight changed, and the customer mainly wants to get the car MOT'd. And yes, they are two 10mm bolts which hold the bumper to the ring. You could even see that the cap that holds the headlight in place, or the headlight back cover in place, is all broken. And there's more broken pieces. So we're going to do the same on this side and remove the two 10mm bolts. However, on this side, since it's not damaged like the other side, well, there's a small damage here, but it hasn't affected the wheel arch as much. There's a pin right at the top which you want to remove for the wheel arch, and once you remove that, you'll get access to the two 10mm bolts. It's just a pin and it's a plastic bit which goes in, so you want to get a flathead screwdriver, get in between here and push this out, and then this will release itself. Removing this bumper is not as hard as it looks. Two bolts on the side, two bolts on this side, a few clips on the bottom, Torx bolts on the top. The bottom bit just slides into clips, which are the bits that are broken on that side. So we're going to get that fixed with the new bumper. So it looks like it didn't record the bit where I removed the headlight, but it's just 3 bolts, one here, and one here, that hold the headlight in place. And anyone want a headlight? It's going for £100. Joking, this deserves to be in the bin. So it looks like this main light is not working on this headlight, so the bulb must be out. So we're going to replace the bulb with the old headlight, and this is why it's important that you test everything before bolting it down. Otherwise you bolt it down and you can see there's no space to work with this car at the back. And all these newer cars, they all have tight space at the back, and even getting through the wheel arch is quite hard. So it's better to do it while the headlight is out. So we're going to get that changed, and then it should all be working. So that brings us to the end of the video, and sorry guys, I missed out the bumper getting installed again. That's because I left the camera to roll and the SD card got full, so it obviously wasn't recording. However, the bumper process is pretty straightforward. However, there is little bits of tweaks and twerks with the AMG bumper. There's a few things that you need to put extra pressure on to make sure that it aligns. Apart from that, everything else goes on perfectly. The grills, you can just switch it over from an SE bumper. The bottom grills that we put there is different to an SE bumpers, and these 2 side grills are going to be different too. So that should be coming through the post, and we need to get these ordered as well so that we can complete this bumper. And the headlight is installed and it's all working as you saw before. So this car is officially alphamized, and the customer is going to come and collect the car. So hopefully they are a happy customer. I'm not sure if they're going to be in this video or not, but if they're not, till next time, peace.